Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect burrito. First, select a large, fresh flour tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches in diameter. Gently warm it on a griddle for about 20 seconds per side, or in the microwave for 15 seconds. This crucial step makes the tortilla soft and flexible, preventing any tears as you load it with delicious fillings. A warm tortilla is the foundation of a truly great burrito. Now, let's talk about layering your fillings strategically. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of refried beans or rice across the bottom third of your warm tortilla. Next, add your main protein, like perfectly seasoned carne asada or grilled vegetables, in a horizontal line above the beans. Finally, place your salsa, cheese, and any other wet ingredients directly in the center, ensuring even distribution for every bite. Mastering the fold is key to a structurally sound and delicious burrito. First, take the bottom edge of the tortilla and fold it up and over your fillings, tucking it in tightly. Then, fold in both the left and right sides, overlapping them slightly to secure the ends. Now, with firm and even pressure, roll the entire burrito forward from the bottom, creating a compact, cylindrical shape. This technique ensures everything stays neatly inside. Congratulations, you've crafted the ultimate burrito. For the best experience, serve your freshly rolled masterpiece immediately. The warmth of the tortilla and the integrated flavors are at their peak. You might consider cutting it in half diagonally. This often makes it easier to handle and showcases the beautiful layers inside. Now, take a moment to savor every single bite of your perfectly constructed, flavorful, and truly satisfying burrito.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.